Welcome, my name is Josie, and we will be doing a home tour for the vintage cottage style of Kimberly's house. It is a style where you will always find environments marked by a very cozy air, as you will be able to appreciate in this video. You will find the vintage details in all spaces. The cottage results in sophisticated, harmonious, and pleasant environments when you integrate old pieces, although in this case, we find a particular elegance that distinguishes it and special attention to all details. The cottage in the living room. It retains a certain country air. The atmosphere is relaxing, very soft and peaceful. In it, the details help to convey a feeling of home and welcome. In this decorative trend, there is a clear return to everything natural, to earth, beige, and green colors. As for the materials, patterned textiles covering dominate, and you will find many walls made of stone or exposed wood. In the cottage dining room, the furniture does not necessarily have to be in its original state. Here you can find something more contemporary furniture. It all depends on the sensitivity when choosing, but there are always natural materials such as wood, wicker, or rattan. In the kitchen, the open space can be contrasting with the dining room, but it is also very welcome because it is dark, natural wood with light color countertop. In the bathroom, the details in the paintings located next to the sink, like the wall lamp, convey order and valance, without forgetting the wall with wallpaper. In the bedroom, we continue to apply the same pattern: sandstones, woods, whites, grays, and light blues, and above all, dim filtered ambient light. Remember that the dominant note is always the softness of tones, fabrics, and textures. In the cottage gardens, there will never be a lack of blankets, rugs, or cushions and details that provide comfort and warmth.